Now we are going to discuss about CAP theorem, acid base in databases. In past, when we want to store more data or increase our processing power, the common option was to scale vertically or further optimize the existing code. However, with the advance in parallel processing and distributed system, it is more common to expand horizontally or have more machine to do same task parallel. There is a bunch of data manipulation tools like Apache project like Spark, Hadoop, Kafka, Zookeeper, and Storm. However, in order to effectively pick the tool of choice, a basic idea of CAP theorem is necessary. A distributed system is a network that stores data on more than one node at the same time. Because all cloud applications are distributed systems, it's essential to understand the CAP theorem when designing a cloud app so that you can choose a data management system that delivers the characteristics of your application needs the most. The CAP theorem is also called Brewer's theorem, states that a distributed data system can only guarantee two out of these three characters: consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. Consistency means a system is said to be consistent if all nodes see the same data at the same time. Simply, if we perform a read operation on a consistent system, it should return the value of the most recent write operation. This means that the read should cause all nodes to return the same data, that is the value of the most recent write. Availability in a distributed system ensures that the system remains operational 100% of the time. Every request gets a response regardless of the individual state of a node. This does not guarantee that the response contains the most recent write. The figure on the left illustrates an unavailable system. Partition tolerance. This condition states that the system does not fail, regardless of if messages are dropped or delayed between nodes in a system. Partition tolerance has become more of a necessity than an option in distributed systems. It is made possible by sufficiently replicating records across combination of nodes and networks. ACID consistency model. When it comes to NoSQL databases, the data consistency models can sometimes be strikingly different than those used in relational database. The two most common consistency models are ACID and base. Both consistency models comes with advantages and disadvantages, and neither is always a perfect fit. The ACID consistency model. The traditional database model comes with ACID properties. The key ACID guarantee is that it provides a safe environment in which to operate on your data. ACID properties means that once a transaction is complete, its data is consistent and stable on disk, which may involve multiple distinct memory locations. The write consistency is a wonderful thing for application developers, but it also requires sophisticated locking, which is typically a heavyweight pattern for most use cases. In ACID property, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Atomic means all operations in a transaction succeeded or even operation is rollback. Consistency on the completion of a transaction, the database is structurally sound. Isolated means the transaction do not contend with another. Durable means the results of applying a transaction are permanent even in the presence of failure. Next model is the base consistency model. For many domains and use cases, ACID transactions are far more pessimistic than the domain actually requests. In the NoSQL database world, ACID transactions are less fashionable as some databases have loosened the requirements for immediate consistency, data freshness, and accuracy in order to gain other benefits like scale and the silence. Base means basically available, soft state, eventual consistency. Basically available means this constraint states that the system does not guarantee the availability of data as regards CAP theorem. There will be a response to any request, but that response could still be failure to obtain requested data, or data may be in an inconsistent or changing state, much like waiting for a check to clear in your bank account. Soft state means the state of the system could change over time. So even during time without input, there may be changes going on due to eventual consistency. Thus, the state of system is always soft. Eventual consistency means the system will eventually become consistent once it stops receiving input. Google's Bigtable, Amazon Dynamo, Facebook's Cassandra are few such big examples that deal with the loss of consistency and still maintain system reliability with the help of distributed data system, which provides them base properties.